In this video, I'll be going through step by step how I do my wash and go routine.
I will also be washing out hair wax. Picking my hair before I wash it allows the curls to open up better. I'm going to be using my own
do-it-yourself hair mask, which basically consists of 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, any brand, 1 teaspoon of honey, once again, any brand as well, it really doesn't matter, and 1 teaspoon of Jamaican black castor oil. And then you mix.
So as you can see, the color washes out pretty easily. My biggest complaint about the hair wax though is that it leaves a mess in the tub. So unless you enjoy scrubbing your bathtub, I wouldn't recommend putting hair wax in your hair. So I'll be washing my hair with Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. I spend a lot of time scrubbing my scalp because a healthy scalp equals healthy hair, which equals longer hair. So I don't know about you guys, but that's my goal.
And now we add the hair mix.
I section off the hair as always because it makes it easier. This is also a very messy process, so it's something I would recommend doing in the shower.
Rake it through. Yeah, I'm also making sure that I get my scalp as well. So I ended up leaving it in for at least 2.5 hours because I had to run some errands.
This cap works perfectly because it has a strap that's really easy to adjust. After you wash out the mask, I'm going to go in with some leave-in conditioner. I am using Aussie. I'm really just raking this through
to make sure that it's evenly distributed. I find that bringing my hair to the front makes it easier for me to make sure that the product gets everywhere. As I've mentioned in previous videos, my hair absorbs product much better when it's wet. So finally, we get to the curling gel. The product that I'll be using is Curls Be Defined. And as you can see, I'm also using my Denman Brush. I'm doing this because I want to make sure that my curls are nice and defined for this video. And the best way for me to get defined curls is with this brush. Also, it's very important to remember that you scrunch every time you brush through. Make sure you follow up with a scrunch. If anything, that's probably the most important part. And really, you don't even have to use a brush. Sometimes I don't even use a brush. I just go through and scrunch. But because I want really defined curls for this specific video, I'm going to be using my Denman Brush. And you just work your way through all around your head until you've gotten all of your hair. I've been trying to get away from parting my hair recently. They say not to touch your hair as it's drying. Is the way that you leave your hair when it's drying is the way that it will dry. I'm finger coiling the trouble areas. I'm aiming for a very defined look. I'm going to let it air dry. It usually takes about 4 to 5 hours to dry completely. I don't have anything against using a diffuser, but I personally like to stick to air drying, especially in the summertime. This is my finished product. It's very big. The curls are very soft, and as you can see, there is definition. I'm really liking the way this came out.